Everyone has been told the same lie. If you really like her, chase her, double text her, call her more, prove yourself. It might sound romantic and everything, but in real life, chasing doesn't build attraction, it destroys it. So the harder you chase someone, the easier you make it for them to run away from you. Especially when it's digitally or on social media, when you text a girl 3-4 times and she doesn't reply, you're making it easier for her to run away from you. You are actually making it a duty by this time to run away from you, because why are you don't understand me wrong, this is not about pretending that you don't care or that you come across as playing games. This is about understanding one truth that changes everything, because the men that chase the least end up being chased the most. Again, the men that chase the least end up being chased the most. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly why. Think about it. Every woman that you've seen that's obsessed with a guy, it's not because that he's obsessed with her. Most of the time, because yes, he's attractive, but on top of that, he's busy with his stuff. He's busy with his friends. He's doing his thing. He's not putting her in the center of attention like the other guys looking at her or looking at her ass, looking at the curves. He's talking to his friends. He's not looking at her. So you can see in such cases that she will care more, she will initiate more things to him. And generally in such a dynamic is where you will see that the guy is busy with his stuff, his friends, his work, stuff that he's doing, and not making her his entire life, chasing her. His whole life is now about her. No, he have his stuff going on. Don't always try to impress her. Don't always try to impress her. Ask yourself, does he fit your standard? Or is it just about the body? Now you don't think the body, now you say, yes, I'm going to marry this one. This is my girlfriend because she have curves. She's going to notice, she's going to sense. You have standards. She has to keep herself to a standard also. You see, you're not just going to go around here because that woman have curves, that woman is thick. Women like a challenge. That's why they like players. She will see you have standards. She will meet your standards, and you will see that you will be more attractive to women. Now she knows that she has more to offer than just being there. Just by just having curves is not going to be enough for you. And when women know that you have standards, they are going to know that if you are going to choose a woman, it's a woman that is going to have standards. You are not just going to go left and right. So they're going to know that you are a guy that they must respect, because you are not just going to go with anyone and talk with anyone and date anyone. You will have a standard and you stand by it.